So today we're just going to give a grease pencil some physics properties. So let's go and get right down into it. Let's go ahead and make our 2 layers. And then we'll make these. So we got our line. And we got our fill. And this will just be the line. Fill. This will be the shine. And these two are fills, not strokes. So we'll make the ball like a reddish color. And for the shine will just be white. Alright. So now let's make sure we're in the right layer. And we're gonna go to draw mode over here. We're gonna make a ball. Hit enter, change it to fill, change that to fill, get the paint bucket, boom. Now change the shine, and we'll just draw a quick little shine. Oh, wow, that's not good. Quick, there we go. But now we want to give it physics, because now if you hit play, nothing's going to happen, and there's no real options. There's rigid body constraint and force field, but we don't want those. So now we're just going to make a mesh circle here. We're going to rotate it 90 like that, fill it, we'll extrude it just a little bit, line it up, and scale it however you need it. And this circle is called a hitbox. We'll call it, that's the hitbox of it. Alright, and now what we do is you select it and parent it. And now if you parent it correctly, and then when you select the hitbox, the ball should move with it. And if it doesn't, just redo your parents. Just select one and then the other, but I press Control P for that to parent. And now we're gonna add to the hitbox, we're gonna give it rigid body and collision. Now when we hit play, boom. And there we go, but we don't wanna see the ball, and we don't wanna see the circle. And so that would hide it, but when you render it, you'd still see it, and we don't want that. So that's a easy fix. Go over to your object properties for your hitbox, visibility, just turn off show and renders. That way when you render it, it'll be gone. If there's one thing I learned in Blender, there's typically 1,000 ways to do one little thing. So if you know another method of doing this, please let me know down in the comments. And maybe I'll do an updated video of this. And so if you also like the video, you know what to do. I'm Adrian, and we'll holler at you later. And one more thing, let's say you didn't want the shine to move there. All you gotta do is go to your hitbox, and over in object properties, you can lock the rotation down. That way, you know, it won't rotate. So there you go. So if you want the shine to stay still or something like that, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.